Hey, what's up guys, this is Virginio. So I've got a new video today. How to make a YouTube thumbnail quickly and easily, maybe under 1 minute. So I always use this process, and as you guys can see my thumbnails for this YouTube channel. So some starting YouTubers struggle to make YouTube thumbnails, and as you guys know, thumbnails are one of the important things for YouTube to click on videos, and a good thumbnail is always a good starting point. I've been applying this technique and I've been using a software to make a thumbnail, and this software makes our life so much easy that we can even make a thumbnail under 1 minute. Isn't it crazy? It's better than just using default some screen of your video. I know that is recommended by YouTube. So I'm going to introduce you guys to one software which is Canva. So I have been using this software for quite long, maybe more than a year. A lot of people use this software. You can just go to canva.com. so if you don't have any account, then you can just log in or create account. I'll just log in with my account. So one great thing about this software is that it's available both in premium and non-premium version. So non-premium is also free, but just one disadvantage is that we can't download high quality images, but the downloadable images is also quite good enough. So if you want to create a new design, then this is the landing page of Canva. So as you guys can see, I have created a lot of thumbnails using this Canva. Let's suppose you want to create a new design, then you can just select new design type from the page over here. So in this Canva, apart from YouTube thumbnails, you can also create Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, posters, and so many things. But today we'll be focusing on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So to make a YouTube thumbnail, you can just select the type of design from here. So it gives us lots and lots of pre-built design. So with little effort, we can make great and beautiful YouTube thumbnails. So you can select the YouTube thumbnail template based upon your genre. So let's say your genre is music, then you can just select music genre over here, and it has got lots of designs. So let's select any one design. Usually on thumbnails, if there are like picture of people, then the click rate is more. So for some templates we might have to become premium user, but for most of them we get it for absolutely free. So let's select this template. As you can see, it has got a lot of things already done. So we can select our text and change it, and also the photo if you want, and so let's put this thing over here, maybe this over here. So you can do a lot of customizations with this input fields and these texts. Now let's upload my picture. Let's see whether I have previously uploaded some cool picture of me. If not, then I can just we can just upload another picture from my computer. So let's upload my picture. So let's adjust it yeah, a little bit, and it looks good. I think it looks pretty good. Let's minimize it and take a look. I think it's looks pretty good. So just adjust it over here. Yeah, it looks great. I'm showing you how to make this and like recording the video. Otherwise, I think it really takes maybe 1 minute to just complete this thumbnail. So now let's download this thumbnail. So for downloading, you can just go over there and click download. Yeah, click over here, and because we are not premium user, we can't download in high quality, but it's still good enough. So this is the preview of the thumbnail that I made under 1 minute. So I think it's more than good enough. So if you want to use new photos on your YouTube thumbnail, then you can just go over there in photos and just search for example Nepal. Then a lot of photos with Nepal with pop-up, and for some photos we need to become premium user, but for some photos we can use it for free. But we have one website called Unsplash where we can get high quality premium photos, and we don't have to attribute the user or something, but we can if you want. So it's really good place to get like high quality premium photos that we want to use in our YouTube thumbnails. So this picture I used once in my YouTube thumbnail, so it's really cool picture. So it's taken by this author, and we can also select the picture quality we want to download and just click download. So here it says we can attribute user and something like that, but that's purely optional. So let's try to use this picture in our YouTube thumbnail. And so just upload photo and upload from file, and just select the picture we just downloaded, and so it's over here, it's getting uploaded. So we can just select and drag and drop this picture and it's on our thumbnail. So it's so easy to just use this. So you can obviously use Photoshop to make our YouTube thumbnails, but Photoshop has got some learning curve in it, and also Photoshop is not free. We need to pay subscription fees for Photoshop. And for Canva, we can, if you want to get premium thumbnails, but we can also use it for free, and which is pretty good. So I highly recommend just testing out this software. So with Canva you can create a lot of other designs, not only YouTube thumbnails, for example Instagram post, Facebook post, and Instagram story, and a lot of things like book, and also like t-shirts and all those things. There is also a mobile app for Canva, both in Android and iOS, but I like to design in laptop because it's easy and more efficient, so I always use this desktop version instead. So there you go guys, I just showed you how to make beautiful YouTube thumbnails just under 1 minute, and under 1 minute or 5 minutes using this beautiful software Canva. So if you like my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video with some interesting and so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys, peace.